Hi my loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal, and if you guys are new here, then what's up? Thanks for joining me. If you're not new, welcome back, because today we are going to be trying something a little different on this channel. Now, I'm the type of person I always like to stay up to date on the brand new styles and colors of contact lenses that come out, especially from the popular brands out there. So I was taking a look on Desio's website and I saw something that really caught my eye. Now, I'm not usually one to try adventurous, colorful contacts, but they had a pair of beautiful light purple contact lenses that I thought would be so fun to try. So I did order them and I grabbed them. I have them here for us to try on today. I'm super excited to try on purple color contacts for the first time with you guys, and I would love to know what you guys think of this color. It's going to be really out of my comfort zone. I'm going to show you guys my natural brown eyes. I do wear glasses usually, and I have prescription in my contacts on the regular because I'm a little bit blind. So let me show you my natural brown eyes, and then let's get to trying these contacts on. Yes, okay, so first off, let's just talk a little bit about what exactly these contacts are, and then I'm going to put them in my eyes and show you. And by the way, I just broke a nail. How sad. Don't judge me. The worst part is I was cooking and it broke and I don't know where it went. So let's hope it's not in the food. Okay, so the lenses that I received are called Very Peri, and they are from the Attitude collection from Desio. The packaging is almost resembling what the lenses kind of look like, the color at least, and then they always send a lens case to go with, so love that. Let's go ahead and put these in. I can't wait to see what they look like, and we'll see if purple contacts suit me. Okay, absolutely wow. Guys, this is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect to like these. I thought that they were gonna look a little bit too cosplay or maybe too cartoony to wear on an everyday basis, but look at this beautiful color. This is the Very Peri Attitude collection from Desio, and then my natural eye. Now, this particular pair of lenses is a monthly pair of contact lenses. What I love about Desio contact lenses is I noticed that they're all a little bit enlarging to your eyes. And I do like this in their particular contact lenses because it makes the eyes just have that pop wow effect. I also feel that this particular contact lens has a gorgeous pupil ring that's just a few shades darker than the inner portion, and it's giving you like a natural kind of blended effect. If you get in closer, you can see that they have a bit of dimension in the contact lens, but they're not super dimensional. They're actually still more of a flat kind of color. And then right in closer to the pupil, the color kind of breaks up to show some of your natural eye color. Okay, absolutely wow. Again, I am so blown away by the fact that I really do love these contact lenses. I think we should get a second opinion on these lenses, so let's go see what my husband thinks. Okay babe, what do you think about my eyes?
They look good.
You like them? Do they look purple at all?
Yeah, a bit.
A little bit. Okay. Okay, so let's talk final thoughts, you guys. I am freaking loving these lenses. For color, 8 out of 10 for color. They're absolutely beautiful. Comfort, honestly, these are a 10 out of 10. Desio lenses are very comfortable, and that is one of the reasons I've been leaning towards wearing these contacts more often, because I like to be able to get through my day without wanting to rip my eyes out. And overall, just how they look and the natural kind of effect of these lenses, I'm gonna give them a 7 out of 10. I think that they look quite natural. Of course, there is a really light limbal ring, which in this case I think is actually adding to that natural look. And of course the color is not really a natural color, but somehow I think they found a way to make them look subtle. They are looking subtle, beautiful, and yeah, I would say natural. I really love these lenses. I'd love to know what you guys think of them. Let me know down below in that comment section, and also let me know if you have any other suggestions for other colored contacts that are kind of fun, maybe a little different, that I should give a try, because I'm definitely into just, you know, trying something new on this channel. So let me know what you guys think down below. I thank you again for watching this video and chilling with me today. And my code is Mallory. If you do find any contacts that you love on Desio, it will save you 10%. I'm gonna go run and eat some of that barbecue chicken that I made, and I will catch you guys in the next video. We have some other exciting hauls coming, so stay tuned for those, and mwah, take care. Bye guys.